Hello, my name is Jessica Bergman, and I am the Immigration Compliance Data Coordinator in the Office of International Student and Scholar Services. Today, we're going to chat about accessing your iRocket portal. First, from the University of Toledo webpage, you'll go to oiss.utoledo.edu. This will take you to the iRocket portal launch page. Usually, any important information that our office would like to communicate will be in this area. This will change often. In order to log into your portal, you will click on the blue login button and enter in your UTAD username and password. From here, you'll get to the iRocket Services homepage. If you are an F1 student and you click on F1 Student Services, all of the available e-forms will pop up. We do have a lot. So the one that you would click on would be dependent upon what you're looking for. Our office is paperless, so any request that you might ever think of in order to submit to our office will be in this iRocket portal. So if you are looking to, for example, add a dependent, if you get married or you would like to bring a child under the age of 21, you would click on Add SEVIS Dependent. You would also then add all of the information in. And once you've uploaded the information and answered the questions, you would hit the submit button. Once you hit the submit button, our office gets the request. And in 3 to 5 business days, you would receive an email from us with information regarding your request. Another popular form is if you want to travel, you would click on the travel signature pre-approval and then click on travel signature. A lot of the e-forms also have very important information in the beginning, so make sure you read those. And again, it can change depending upon the situation. Again, you would answer and upload all of the required documents. And at the very end, you would hit submit. If at any time you do want to save what you've done because you can't, maybe you don't have a document that you can't upload, you can always click on Saved Draft and you can go back to it later. If you are in J1 student status, here are your options for e-forms as well. With all of the e-forms, once you submit them, you will receive an email from us confirming that you did submit it successfully. And then once it's approved, you will receive another email. Again, all of our processes are all paperless, so you don't have to come into our office. You can do everything here online. If an I-20 is generated, you could come and pick it up from our office if we are open, but you will receive additional information in your approval email. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to contact our office. Our number is 419-530-4229. Again, if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.